Excel, Grade 7, Workbook, Model 8A. Exercise 1. Complete the crossword puzzle. The first, fruit. The second, internet. The third, night. The fourth, junk. The fifth, drink. The sixth, watch. The seventh, hobby. The eighth, physical. The ninth, video. The 10th, sleep. Exercise 1B. Now complete the table under the headings do's and don'ts. Do's. The first, eat fruit and vegetables. The second, drink plenty of water. The third, have a hobby. The fourth, do a physical activity. The fifth, get a good night's sleep. Don'ts. The first, surf the internet lots of hours. The second, eat late at night. The third, eat too much junk food. The fourth, watch too much TV. The fifth, play video games too often. Exercise 2. Match the words to make phrases. Use the phrases to complete the sentences below. The first, when you have a balanced diet, you eat all the vitamins you need. The second, my doctor told me that I need to do more physical activity. The third, my family is great. I can always share my problems with them. The fourth, getting plenty of sleep is a great way to boost your performance at school. The fifth, many young people suffer from stress when they are taking exams. Exercise 3. Circle the correct word. The first sentence. Many teenagers like to sleep in at the weekends. The second, if you don't get enough sleep, you will suffer from tiredness. The third, Dmitry has gone to bed early. He wants to catch up on his sleep. The fourth, it's a bad idea to go to bed on a full stomach. The fifth, there is a simple solution to lack of sleep. The sixth, Karen began to feel sleepy and decided it was time for bed. Exercise 4. Fill in. The first sentence. You can give support to your friends by listening to their problems. The second. If you feel stressed, don't forget to take a break. The third. I was overweight before I started doing plenty of exercise. The fourth, playing sport is a great way to keep fit. The fifth, on average, adults need less sleep than teenagers. The sixth, lack of exercise makes it harder for you to sleep. The seventh, Ayjan did well in her exams because she had an excellent daily routine. The eighth, it can be difficult to exercise when you have a full stomach. Exercise 5. Complete the sentences with the verbs in the list in the correct form. The first, I soon felt more positive about myself after I stopped eating junk food. The second, you just want one more piece of cake. Does this sound familiar? The third, Sarah always switches off her gadgets an hour before going to bed. The fourth, my healthy lifestyle will help me to follow my dreams and become a top athlete. The fifth, this morning I didn't wake up when my alarm went off. The sixth, are you finding it hard to concentrate? Perhaps you need more sleep. Exercise 6. Is your lifestyle healthy? What do you do? What don't you do? Write a few sentences. I have a quite healthy lifestyle. I do plenty of exercise every week. I have dance lessons, play basketball, volleyball 3 times a week. I try to have a balanced diet most of the time, but I enjoy eating junk food with my friends once a while. I don't get much sleep every night. On average, I get 6 hours of sleep, so I sometimes feel sleepy in the morning.